Sometimes the most beautiful journeys are not the fastest one. In a world where everyone seems to be rushing somewhere, I wanted to slow down for a while. No strict schedules, no crowded tourist spots, just nature, silence, and the simple joy of being present. So, hey guys, welcome back to my slow travel journey. Slow travel is not about seeing more places, it is about experiencing each place more deeply. Listening to the sounds of nature, watching the water flow peacefully, and allowing yourself to truly connect with your surroundings. These small moments often become our most meaningful memories. Every destination has a story. Some stories are written in books, others are carved into stone and preserved through centuries. Traveling slowly gives us the opportunity to understand the history, culture, and traditions that make each place unique. Instead of simply visiting a place, we begin to feel connected to it. One of the greatest joy of travel is meeting people, different languages, different traditions, different lifestyles. Yet every conversation reminds us how connected we all are. These human connections often become more valuable than any photograph. Slow travel teaches us patience. It teaches us gratitude. And most importantly, it reminds us that happiness is not always found in reaching a destination. Sometimes happiness is hidden within the journey itself. As this journey comes to an end, I carry back more than photographs. I carry memories, lessons, and renewed appreciation for life's simple moment. Thank you for traveling with me. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey, please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next adventure, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep finding beauty in the ordinary. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for travel, lifestyle, and personal growth content. Blog Aparichita04 blogspot.com.